This is 10A, the model unit, 1 bedroom. Off to the left is the bathroom.
So the lights are out.
No problem.
Fix them today in the bathroom.
Okay, this is the washer dryer. This is the bedroom.
Yeah, this is the one they have on.
Closets.
Can you look it up?
Nice view. So we saw the one right below it.
Right.
One floor below.
Right above it, actually.
Right above it.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh,
$495.
Okay.
Say that again? The one that, yeah, you like is above it. It's above it, so you're going higher, you're on a higher floor.
Okay, so here's the kitchen. Dishwasher, deep sink, stove.
It looks like